Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this sky blue professional dress. It is a tiny little V, barely a V, so it's probably gonna be like up to here, like right past your collarbone. There is like that seam that goes down here and scrunches for a little bit of detail, and a very unique, cute, barely there peplum that's pleated on both sides. Interesting, that's different. Long enough, I'm pretty sure this is gonna go past the knee mark. Zipper that goes all the way down so you can wear it easily. Ooh, and the peplum goes all the way to the back as well, and it's longer in the back. I love dresses that actually pay attention to the back of the dress, not just like the party in the front and then nothing in the back. Super cute detail. And then the skirt, of course, this little slit for mobility. So yeah, let me go ahead and try this on. So the V is super cute, professional, because it just hits you right here. As I said, the collarbones are here and the V is right there. It's not a sleeve at all, so it's nice and airy, breathable. Love this peplum, super cute. Kind of branches out and then going down. I wish it were just a little bit longer because obviously with the belly, you know, it can hide a little bit more, but if you don't have as much of a belly, it's totally fine. And you can see on the side, oh, like that it pleats downwards, zips all the way to the top and then all the way down to here. Bottom hugs you really, really nice. The slit to help you move, hits you just above the knee, but actually if you pull it down a little bit, it hits you like right past the knee a little bit. So it just depends on how tall you are. I'm 5'6", hits me at my knee. When sitting, this is a really nice dress. If you would like to purchase this dress, make sure to check out the link below. If you want to check out other stuff they have, you can also check out their store, which is in the link below. If you like product unboxings and unopenings, please make sure to subscribe so you can see more of it. I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.